Okay. Again. Stay with him. That's right. Now what? Feel him going up, feel him going down. Right. That's right. Stay. Keep out of the zone of attack. Keep out of the zone of attack. Right. Keep him away. Tell you, come up come up. Right. Now feel him coming up. Right. Stay at the zone. Stay at the zone. Good. Good. Keep it set. That's right. Now grab him. Go ahead, keep on. Grab him when you think you can. Grab his arm. Right. Grab his arm and hold on to it. Hold on to his arm. Go ahead. Keep. That's right. That's right. That's right. Hold on. That's right. Good. Good move. Good move. Right. You're out of the. Mate. Stay with the arm. Stay with the arm. Stay out of the zone of attack. Move out of the zone. Move his time. No, you're moving in the zone, Tahir. You're moving in the zone. You're moving into the knife. He's moving. You're moving in. You see, the knife is coming here. Move. You see? Move. Huh? Come on. Here. Here. I'm moving. Huh? Come on. Here. 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 All right. You okay? Good. Huh? That's right. That's right. Now you gotta feel it. Keep your arms. No, don't. Tahir. You here. Stay with him. Stay with him. Stay with him. Stay with the arm. No, you're moving away. Stay with the arm means that you see I'm staying with the arm. I'm staying with the arm. You see? I'm staying with the arm. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. Because he'll get through that. As soon as I bring back, boom. Yeah, good. As soon as I do that, boom. Huh? But when I do this, yeah, good. You see, that keeps that zone clear. Stay with the arm. Stay with the arm. Stay with the arm. Okay, Mate, good. Excellent.